activity for you to try at home to let me know how it worked for you and what you could change to make it better or different next year when I see you. If you are not in my class, that is okay. You can share in the comments below so I can get back to you and know how you did. Okay, this is supposed to be fun. Learning is supposed to be fun. So we are going to make unpoppable bubbles. They're really not unpoppable, but they do bounce and they are fun. Okay, so what you're going to need is 2 cups of warm water. Please make sure it's warm. Cold water doesn't do as well. Okay, you're going to need some hand soap, doesn't matter what kind. You are going to need some glycerin. Okay, glycerin, you can get it in any hobby store. I've got it at Hobby Lobby before. I ordered this off Amazon. Okay, that way I didn't have to go to the store. So that is all the materials. So let's get to it. You are going to have 2 cups of warm water. Okay, you're going to pour it into a bowl. I chose this bowl just so you could see what was going on in here. No magic tricks. Warm water, your hand soap, 1/4 cup. Okay, I'm just going to use this. Oops, and I squirted it over. That's okay. 1/4 cup of hand soap. Okay, make sure I get it all out. Throw that in there. You are going to need something to stir. Now when you're stirring, do not go super fast. We are not baking a cake. Okay, I don't want to create large bubbles. If you've ever ran a dish full of dishes with dish soap, you know that the bubbles like to bubble out. Not what I'm going for here. Okay, I just want to make sure that all of my hand soap at the bottom is mixed in. Okay, you're going to see a few bubbles, but I don't want big ones, so don't whisk it. Just make sure you stir it good. Okay, all mixed. Now for your glycerin, again, Amazon or I know that Hobby Lobby had it. Not sure about Michael's. Okay, you're going to have 2 tablespoons of glycerin. There is 1. Now I will give you a hint whenever you start playing with this on your own. Glycerin consistency can change the outcome of your bubbles, whether they're more bouncy or not bouncy. All I'm going to tell you. Okay, get rid of that one. Again, your mixing tool and just mixing. We're not making a cake. It will settle at the bottom, so you do have to be a little bit harder with this. This is point of the warm liquid instead of cold liquid, so it helps mix that up good. If you use cold liquid, you're not going to get very good bubbles. Okay? So we're going to mix it up good. You're going to get a few bubbles on the top, but nothing bad. Okay? Now, if you have a pipette, which is the little plastic things that you use in science class, you can use that. Now, lots of people don't have pipettes, and I don't want you to have to go and buy anything. If you have a straw that you have used at a restaurant that you could just rinse out, you can use that. If you have an extra one, you can use that. If you have a bubbles wand that you have laying around that you've used before, perfect to use. Okay, so I have my bubbles wand and a straw. That's what I'm going to use for my bubbles. Okay, I'm going to move these out of the way. Okay, so the next thing that you want, here I'll show you. What you do is whenever you dip it straight in, you want to drip it and then you want to blow. Totally. Did you see my bubbles? Okay, they pop. Okay, so with unpoppable bubbles, our hands aren't going to work. So if you have a cotton glove laying around the house, if you live somewhere where it's cold, those little cotton gloves that you slip on to go outside, great. If not, like me, I live in Florida, I got rid of mine all when I moved here. I don't have those. So I got a sock. It's a clean sock. Okay, I'm just gonna slip it on my hand, just like so. Not that way because it's weird feeling. Okay, it's just cotton. That's what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Make sure it's a clean sock. Okay, if you don't have gloves. You don't want to squeeze these, but here's mine. Okay, I'm going to use this one first. This is my small one. Oh, can't do it that way. And as you can see, I have bubbles. Okay, now I can bounce them, but I don't let them go. There it is. Now there it is. The bigger that you can get your bubble, the better. Okay, they're a little bit more fun. Okay, that one's gonna sit there for a while and it will eventually pop. Like I said, not unpoppable. That's misleading. Well, there it is. And I can bounce it. The fun thing is, how big can you get it and get it to bounce? Okay, and they keep bouncing across the floor. That's okay. Okay, that's with a just a straw. Okay, so they're not very big bubbles. Okay, I want to go to something bigger. So you want it to go in flat, kind of shake off your excess. This hopefully is going to make us bigger bubbles. Like that. Oh, come back over here in the camera screen. Do you see my bubbles? Yes, it is a big bubble and I'm bouncing it. You ever bounced a bubble? Okay, so you can keep doing this. You're going to shake off the excess again and let's see if we can get another one. Oh, they're not as big, but they still bounce. Okay, like I said, cotton is the trick. You can't use your bare hands. It will pop. Oh, it blew straight down. There it is. There's my bubble. Okay, sometimes you just have to mix that solution a little bit more and play with it. Wow. But they are. Anyway, cotton glove, bubble wand, a straw. See what kind of bubbles you all can make at home. Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know when you come to school next year. If you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, please do so now so I can help you have tons of fun this summer and learn along the way. All right, guys, see you soon.